Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and today I'll just go over a quick unboxing of this device. So anyway, let's pop it straight open. Now we get our charger and other accessories right here. Now on the other side we have paperwork, so I'm just gonna toss that straight away to the side. And there we go. You can see the charger. Here is our watch. Now I'll mention right now that the watch strap feels nicer than the one on the 5, just the default one. The 5 one felt a little bit cheaper, this one feels a bit nicer. Anyway, one thing that you'll probably notice with this watch is we don't really have the rotating crown anymore. Nothing here rotates, and as far as I know there is no version where it actually does, so a little bit of a bummer right here. And in terms of the display size right here, we are looking at 1.4 inch display with 450 by 460 pixels, 1.5 gigs of RAM, running Exynos W920, and it has the new OS that is in collaboration with Samsung between Google. So it's running Wear OS with One UI Wear 4.5. Now one downside right here, when I'm doing this, I won't be able to really show you the actual home screen of this watch, just because all the damn watches need to be connected to a phone. Kind of begs to differ where the F is the smart part of them when they need to be always using a phone to function. And that's one of my gripes actually that I recently thought about, where what's the point of a watch? Even though it can connect to mobile networks and stuff like that, it supports eSIMs, when you always need a damn phone for it. It can do everything on its own, but yet it still needs to be connected to something. And another thing that I'll mention that some people probably will like, some people will hate, is you cannot pair this with an Apple device. So the new watches do not function with anything, iPhones or anything like that, which I don't know what to think about this. The Apple Watch doesn't function with anything else but Apple, so I guess Samsung decided to show them a middle finger and be like, okay, our watch won't work with you either, so it's whatever. I don't really like this logic where everything just becomes a lock to its brand, basically. It limits the kind of open nature of a device, but whatever. So yeah, anyway, a couple more things to mention. Built-in storage on here is 16 gigs. We have a 590 mAh battery. It has a wireless quick charge at 10 watts, or just charge, not really quick, at 10 watts, and comes at price tag of below 500. So apparently it's like 450. So yeah. Now if you're buying this, I think now, yeah, today, which is the 25th, I think, or maybe not this, but the Fold or Flip 4, I think you can get a discount on this, and they also give cashback, so you can get a pretty decent deal. And also their trade-ins for the phones and stuff like that is also pretty damn good, if you have anything newer, obviously. But yeah, anyway, not much more to say about this device. It's just another version of the Galaxy Watch 5 without the rotating crown this time around. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.